Yes, how are you doing?
Hello?
You know what? You're talking like a shit in your mouth.
Who?
Shut up, motherfucker, bitch!
Motherfucker. Yo, I'll make a hole in your mother pussy, bitch.
Okay, I'll pull a gun, I'll shoot you in the ass, motherfucker.
You bring your mother, I'll make a hole in the pussy for real.
Why you like Indian dick?
What?
I think you like Indian dick too much.
I rape your sister? I never rape your sister. Your sister come to me. Your sister come to me, I suck her boobs. Her boobs are gold, nice. Nice and round. And your sister said that she liked Indian dick. Then I gave it to her nice in the pussy with a gas leak in there.
You're a piece of shit.
Your mother? Yeah, your mother's nice too, but you know, your mother's so old, I don't like to fuck her no more.
I'll fuck your mother, man.
Your mother's nice now. Your mother's old now. I don't like your mother now.
I'll fuck your mother, man.
No, your mother is not nice. I don't like your mother.
Come over here, let me see. I can shoot you in your ass, motherfucker. I'm your daddy.
You want to show me your mother? No, look, I don't like your mother. I showed you already, man. Your mother.
Middle East, go back to Middle East, motherfucker.
It's like so soft. I don't like her pussy, man.
Shut up, cocksucker.
Your mother's a cocksucker too?
Cocksucker?
She go to suck the cock. You're ready? She go to suck the cock for real?
Asshole.
Your mother's asshole?
I'll shoot you, motherfucker.
Your mother get the dick in the pussy as well in her ass too.
You don't know how to talk shit.
Who? Your family is a bitch family?
You don't know how to talk shit.
Is a bitch family, you said?
Shut up, cocksucker.
Your mother's a cocksucker. Okay. I know that.
Yeah, come over here.
What about your sister? I like your sister though.
Come over here, I'll give you black eye, motherfucker.
You bring your sister for me?
Come over here. I'll shoot you in your ass, motherfucker.
Yo, what's your address, yo?
Middle East, go back to Middle East, motherfucker.
You Middle East motherfucker? Oh, you are Middle East motherfucker. I didn't know that. Your sister don't look Middle East. Your sister look Indian.
Fuck you, motherfucker. Gay. You're a gay man.
Your mother? Yo, look. I don't like to fuck your mother because your mother's too old, yo. I don't like to fuck her, yo, for real. But yo, look, I like to fuck your sister though. She's very nice.
Why you like Indian dick?
Indian dick? Yeah, I got an Indian dick. Tell your family I got an Indian dick.
Fuck you, motherfucker. Gay. You're a gay man.
Yo, you calling me a motherfucker? But look, I don't like to fuck your mother. Do not call me a motherfucker because I don't like to fuck your mother.
Shut up, nigga.
Punjabi I
think you like Indian dick too much.
My man, I told you already that your mother, I don't like to fuck your mother because she's old already. Her pussy is like a wet napkin. I don't like to fuck wet napkin. I don't like to put my dick in a wet napkin, you know? So tell your mother don't come to me no more. Yeah, but you could send your sister though.
Motherfucker, do you have any problem?
Who?
Motherfucker, do you have any problem?
If I have any problem?
Shut up, cocksucker!
Your mother? Look, I told you already, I don't like your mother, man. Your mother's too old. She's too old to fuck.
Let me pull my gun. Come over here if you want.
Why did you call her? Who do you want to talk to?
Okay, I'll pull the gun. I'll shoot you in the ass, motherfucker.
Yeah, I shoot my dick in your sister's pussy and in your mother's ass too. Don't worry, I'll shoot my dick in your mother's ass.
Motherfucker, son of a bitch.
Oh, you're a son of a bitch? Why didn't you tell me that before?
Son of gun, motherfucker, bitch.
Oh, your grandma's a bitch too? Oh, that's a bad thing, man. Yo, tell your mother and your grandmother don't be a bitch.
You are an asshole, man.
Oh, your father's an asshole? Oh, that's why your mother like to get fucked from outside.
If you're a man, come talk to me over here. Yeah, motherfucker.
I'll tell you again and again, man, I didn't fuck your mother, so don't call me motherfucker. I never fucked your mother, I swear to God.
You know what? You're talking like a shit in your mouth.
Your mother eats shit? Why, she don't like food?
You don't know how to talk English.
Oh, your mother even don't know how to talk English?
Shut up.
Shut up? Yo,
shut up.
Let me tell you something, cocksucker. Look, what the fuck, first of all? Why did you call here? Who do you want to talk to? Listen, do you know even who you're talking to? You just call and I just hello and you started cursing? What the fuck is wrong with you? Why did you call here? Who do you want to talk to? Tell me one thing. Who do you want to talk to?
Who's this?
Who did you call? Tell me. Who did you call?
You are a gay, man. Let me tell you what. You are not a man. You are a gay.
Your father is a gay? I never fucked him, but I never fucked him. I like your mother. I like your sister. Okay, this is a different thing. Listen to me now. Listen to me. What is the topic that you started cursing me for what? Do you know who I am?
I shoot you, motherfuckers. What do you think?
Yo, suck my dick? Tell your mother suck my dick, tell your sister suck my dick. And if you have a daughter, I'll put a dick in their air hole. Look, listen to me now. Get the fuck out of here. Do what you want to do. And get my dick in your mouth, you bitch-ass motherfucker. You hear me?
Why you like Indian dick?
Motherfucker, you want to see me, motherfucker? If you want to see me, I bet you never want to see me, man. You will never see me because I will spare your life, motherfucker. I will kill you, bitch. Bitch, you want to see me, bitch? Tell me where you are right now. I'm gonna come over there right now. I'm gonna shoot the shit out of you, bitch. What the fuck are you talking about, nigga?
I can make you bend over here, okay?
Shut the fuck up, bitch. Shut the fuck up, motherfucker.
Come here right now.
What the fuck?
Shut up, cocksucker.
Your mother's a cocksucker. Your sister takes a dick in her pussy as well in her mouth. Your sister loves to take dickets. Your sister loves Indian dicks. You know that? If you keep your sister up, pull her by the hair, and if you shake her, it's going to be a dozen of dicks come out of her pussy.
Yeah, police is coming right now to get you right now within a minute.
Bitch-ass motherfucker. You called me. I didn't call you. You called me. And you started cussing me. The police is coming. I'm going to call the police right now. That you called me and started cussing me. As a matter of fact, you just threatened me to kill me, right? You just threatened me to kill me. I'm going to call the police right now. Motherfucker, you wait and watch right now. I'm going to call the police right now. That you called me, you threatened to kill me. Watch.
You motherfucker shit.
You want me to do that?
Come over here, I'll give you black eye, motherfucker.
Motherfucker, look, piece of shit. It's not a big job for me to do that. Tell me one thing.
Come over here. I'll shoot you in your ass, motherfucker.
But tell me one thing. Why did you call here? Why did you call here? And who do you know to call here to curse?
Motherfucker, do you have any problem?
You son of a bitch. For real. Why did you call here, first of all? Why did you call here?
Motherfucker, shut up, motherfucker, bitch.
You son of a bitch. तेरे मैं पंजाबी गाना कर रहा मैं लगा पंजाबी तेरी मारा छोला मारा भैन चोदा तू उधर गल कर मेरे ना तेरी फुद्दी मारी मारी भैन चोद तू गल कर दिया गया ना फुद्दी आंदिया अपने प्यो नु फोन किया तेन पता तू फोन किया क्यों गल कर दिया फुद्दी आंदे मैं बंद पड़ रहा भैन चोदा साला
Okay, I'll pull the gun and shoot you in the ass, motherfucker.
I'm gonna shoot your mother in her pussy, bitch ass motherfucker, you son of a bitch.
Come over here, let me see. I can shoot you in your ass, motherfucker. I'm your daddy.
Give me your address, I'll come there right now. Give me your address.
Asshole.
Your mother's address, your father's address. As a matter of fact, your sister, she's a Randi. Your sister, she's a wife. You know the wife? That she means she's a hooker. Your sister is a hooker.
You're a piece of shit.
Your mother was a hooker. Your mother used to hook up at 93 Street, Harlem. Word. What's up?
You know what? You're talking like a shit in your mouth.
There's a dick in your mouth, bitch. There's a dick in your mouth. There's a dick in all of your family's mouth, motherfucker. Fuck you talking about, son of a bitch.
Fuck you, motherfucker. Gay.
Son of a bitch.
You're a gay man.
She's a hoe. She loves to take dick in her pussy and in her mouth. Your mother loved dick, you know that? Your mother, she loved dick. She loved to dick in her mouth. She loved to suck dick, you know that? Bitch.
Good.
Motherfucker coming from me. I'm gonna fuck you, son of a bitch. Fuck you talking about, nigga. Nigga, I'm gonna really shoot the shit out of you, bitch. You know who you're talking to?
Come here right now.
I'm gonna really front on you, bitch. I'm gonna really front on you. Come in front of me right now. Bitch, tell me your address. I come to your address, or just come to me. I'll give you my address. I'm on New Lost on Pennsylvania Avenue. Come here, bitch. I'm gonna shoot. I'm gonna murder you, bitch.
Yeah, come over here.
What, bitch? Bitch, say again? Say that again.
Yeah.
Bitch.
Shut up, motherfucker.
Yo, you don't know what to say, bitches, son of a bitch? Yo, I'm gonna put a drag in your ass, bitch. Bitch, come here. I'm gonna kill you right now, bitch. Yo, you son of a whore. You know what? Your mother likes to take a dick in your mouth. Your mother likes to take in that pussy and a bitch. Your mother's a whore. Your mother is a Harlem whore. You hear me, bitch? You son of a bitch? Yo, tell me just where you are right now. I'm gonna come over here right now. Tell me your address or not be down my address. Bitch, I'm gonna drag you, bitch.
Yeah, police is coming right now. To get you right now within a minute.
Shut the fuck up. Your son, your mother's a whore. Son, listen. Your mother, she's a fucking family whore. A family whore means that your sister's a whore too. All the ladies in your family, they're fucking whores. They're fucking bitches. They love to suck dick. They love to get dick in their pussy and in their mouth. You wanna hear something else, bitch? Tell me you wanna hear something else. You ain't got nothing to say, you pussy. You're a piece of shit. You got nothing to say. And right now, disconnect the phone right now, bitch.
Yeah, police is coming right now to get you right now within a minute.
I don't give a fuck to you. I don't give a fuck to your mother. I don't give a fuck to your sister. I don't give a fuck to police. You hear me, bitch? Son, I'm gonna fuck you up. Son, come in front of me. I'm gonna front of you, bitch. I'm gonna front of you.
Motherfucker, son of a bitch.
That's your mother. That's your daughter. That's your sister. That's your son. That's your father. Your father was a multi-ganda. You know that's most multi-ganda? Your father was a pimp, a dullah. You know dullah? Dullah means your father used to sell your mother. तेरी माँ की फुद्दी मरना ही बारू तो तेरे को पैसे तेरे घर लेके आंदा ही फुद्दी जांदे घर दी जनानियां चनारियां चदानियां जनानियां ते करनियां फोन ते गल्लां फुद्दी जांदे मेरे सामने मैं तेरे खानदान दी बोंड ना पाड़दा भैन चोदा तेनू पता तू कहा कि नुकी सालिया मेरा नाम सुन के तेनू पता तू मेरा नाई के तेरी फुद्दी जांदा तेरी मैं खानदान दी बोंड पाड़दा मेरा नाम सुन के तेरी बोंड पाड़ देगी फुद्दी खानदान दी
If you're a man, come talk to me over here. You motherfucker.
मारा छोला साला पता है तू फोन क्यों कीता साला तू मुझे जानदा भी नहीं मैं कौन फुद्दी जांदे घर बैठे दी बोंड पाड़ दांगा तेरी भैन चौदा साले गल करदा साला एक ही दस तू है कौन है तेरे घरे आके तेरे मैं जुतियां ना मारा भैन चौदा तेरी मैं बोंड ना पादा घरे आके तेरी तो तू सारा दूजी बारी गल करी मैं कोई मैं कौन
Cocksucker.
ते फद्दू नहीं मेरे भैन चौदा ते बोंड नहीं मेरी सालिया तू उत्थे बोंड बनाने आके तू फद्दू ले तेरा फद्दू लगा भैन चौदा साला तेरे को तू फद्दू ला कितनी बार कीती है
Middle East, go back to Middle East, motherfucker.